My name is Jed A. Cordes. Welcome to TPEI.
That's a great question. There's so many different ways to end up in manufacturing, and I mean, I'm a perfect example. I was a chef, right? Like, I didn't plan to be a machinist or a welder. It was just a great opportunity at the time. There's so many different ways to do it. We have people here, and the manufacturing industry needs positions that aren't, hands-on factory worker type things or technician type things. Mm-hmm. There's accountants, there's marketing people, there's so many different ways to come at this. But if I think your question is more if you're in a trade or a technical thing, or if that's what fascinates you, just find a company who is doing the things you like to do. I mean, if you like to build things or weld or are fascinated by those things, just have a conversation with someone that's doing those things and say, hey, I think the products you folks make are really cool. Can I come in and take a look at your process?
Those would be job numbers. So every part that comes in here from a customer or that's manufactured for a customer is given a job number, and that's really so we can track it. So you can see they basically have the same exact prints that you guys have, right? So we send them downstairs and the guys will know exactly what parts to pull and what parts they need to make that assembly. And the other interesting thing is too is that when we start with this material, this starts out as a solid chunk of steel, more or less like a piece of Swiss cheese. If you would take it and cut it, there'd be all kind of passages and channels inside of there.